Hi guys, Dave Hall here with Restore a Muscle Car out of Lincoln, Nebraska. We got 3 Super Duties here. This is Super Duty week here at Restore a Muscle Car. They're all 3 74 Super Duties, all 3 automatics. This white one's had a complete restoration on it. The 2 red ones are, the one on the end's had a repaint. This one in the middle is a 60,000 mile survivor car. We've got about 20-some thousand miles on this car since it's been completely restored. This was owned by a good friend of mine out of Michigan. He had got it from the original family, completely went through the car, had it for years, took it to a bunch of shows, and ended up getting a 73 Super Duty from us that he's restoring now. But this car's loaded with options: air conditioning, power windows, locks, deluxe interior, AM/FM 8-track. It's got tons of options on the sheet. Lots of pictures on the website. Rust-free car, super nice. Jump in, spin the tires. This thing runs super strong. All of them do. This one right here in the middle, 60,000 original mile car. This is going to be probably an 80% original paint or somewhere in there. It's had the quarters have been patched, the rear tail panel, and the trunk floor, all that's been done. It's still going to need a couple little spots on basically I think one of the doors. And you know, if you want to, you could repaint it if you want to, or have us do it. But this is original hood bird, original paint on the top half of the car and the front clip. All original interior, standard interior automatic. It's got the original radio, no cracks in the dash. It's just a super nice car. This thing is super fun because I love patina on original cars. They're only original once, and it's kind of neat having a Super Duty that you can just jump in that's still a survivor car. This one is super close to a survivor as well. It's got 98,000 original miles on it. It's had a repaint, some newer decals, newer tires, original wheels, trim. It's a deluxe interior on this car, automatic, original radio, no cracks in the dash. Just a super good, clean, fun run and driving car that you can get in any one of these cars and take them to a show, win a trophy, and have fun. But anyway, 3 Super Duties. We are going to sell this one here in the middle with 60,000 original miles at no reserve on eBay. They'll all 3 be on eBay at the same time, so you can watch and bid. We're going to have this one at no reserve. Check them out. All the pictures, videos, driving videos on all of them online on our website. If you have any questions, just call out to the shop and we'll be glad to help you. Thank you.